Every idea starts as a spark, a single thought that grows, connects, and transforms. But is there a tool that truly keeps up with that growth, that helps your thoughts connect, organize, and expand, just like your mind does? Today there is. Hello everyone. Welcome to the Edraw software YouTube channel. Today we're introducing the all-new EdrawMind V13. After years of evolution, EdrawMind has grown from a simple mind mapping tool into a powerful all-in-one workspace for modern thinkers. Before we dive in, here's something important to know. In version 13, the concept of a mind map has been redefined. It's evolved into what we now call the knowledge base. A new way to organize ideas, connect information, and manage your personal or professional knowledge visually. Now, when you open a mind map, or as we now call it, your knowledge base, it's like walking into a vast personal library. Every branch on your map becomes a concept, and every concept is connected. Not just by lines, but by meaning, by context, by the way you think. You can click any node and instantly open its related node on the right, expanding that single idea into text, images, or any details you want to keep. This is how EdrawMind V13 changes mind mapping. Your map isn't just a flat diagram anymore. It's a living knowledge network, where thoughts grow, link, and evolve together. Each node can hold its own note. Multiple nodes can even reference the same note, so your ideas stay connected no matter how far they branch out. And with the split view interface, you can browse your map and your notes side by side, thinking visually and writing naturally at the same time. When you open EdrawMind version 13, on the start screen under Create, you'll see an option to create a knowledge base. You'll also notice new quick entries for notes and intelligent file analysis. We'll come back to those later. Here it is, the knowledge base. On the top right of the canvas, right next to the function panel, you'll notice a new button labeled Note. This button lets you open or close the knowledge base panel anytime. In the middle, there's a divider bar that you can drag left or right to adjust the space between your map and the note view, so you can focus on whichever side you need. So this is what it looks like when you create a knowledge base directly. But how do you turn an existing mind map into a knowledge base? When you open a mind map, you'll see that the right panel is empty. To create a knowledge base from it, click Upload to Cloud Space. Once it's uploaded, you'll get access to the knowledge base panel. If you haven't selected any node yet, the panel on the right will show general information about your knowledge base, such as its name, the number of notes it contains, total word count, and total views. You can also go back to the start screen to edit the information of your knowledge base or check for recent updates. For example, you can change the name and description of your knowledge base, choose or customize a cover image, and view its data statistics, including notes count, word count, and overall activity. Just like in previous versions, your knowledge base can also be shared. On the top right, click Share. Here you can copy a link, invite collaborators by email, or even make it public on the web. You can also export it as an image if you want to save or present it offline. Now, let's move on to the core part of EdrawMind's V13 update, Notes. Simply put, the new Cloud Notes feature is an evolution of the traditional mind map. Think of it as the next layer of your knowledge base, where every node on your map can open up into its own detailed note. Instead of just mapping your ideas, now you can write, collect, and expand them, all within the same workspace. Notes live right beside your map, so you can organize thoughts visually on the left and document ideas in full detail on the right. When you click any node on your mind map, a note opens instantly on the right. You can add text, insert images or videos, create tables, or even write code, all right here. It supports markdown syntax and quick slash commands, so you can format content or insert elements in seconds. And if you ever need inspiration or a summary, the AI assistant is always ready to help. Generating ideas, polishing your writing, or creating outlines on the spot. At the top of the note, you'll find all the basic editing tools you'd expect from a standard document editor. It's like having a built-in Office Word, but with even more flexibility, and a much easier way to format your ideas. On the top right corner, the three-dot menu gives you even more options. You can open the note in a new tab, view it in your browser, or quickly search through all your notes. You can also export it as an image, PDF, or DOC file, and restore previous versions anytime from the History panel. And just like a knowledge base, each note can be shared, with a link, by email, or even made public online. Everything you write is automatically synced to the cloud, which means you can access your notes anytime, anywhere, from any device. Before we dive into the new AI features, let's first take a quick look at some nice optimizations from the previous version. First, there's branch-free positioning. You can now freely drag and move any node around the canvas, and the overall structure automatically adapts to your changes. The whole process feels smooth and natural. No more accidental subtopics popping up just because you moved a node nearby. For me, this update is huge. It makes mapping ideas feel way more flexible and intuitive. Another one, the paintbrush. You can find it under the Insert tab. Once enabled, it lets you freely draw anywhere on the canvas, in any shape or color you like. And if you're using a tablet, this is a big one. There's another one that's really cool. Updated in EdrawMind V13. You can find it under the Start tab. Go to Relationship, and then select Connection Line. Use it to draw a link between different nodes, creating clear relationships between your ideas. Click on the line itself to rename it, or make detailed edits like changing its color, style, or curvature. As the knowledge base expands and cloud notes become more powerful, AI now ties everything together. It doesn't just assist your thinking, it becomes a real creative partner inside your workflow. In EdrawMind version 12, we already had the ability to turn PDFs, Word documents, long text, web pages, simple prompts, images, and even video links into mind maps automatically. And now, in the new version 13, this ability has been taken even further. You can now turn almost any type of content, except images and video links, not only into a mind map, but also into a fully structured knowledge base that comes with it. On the top left of the page, or right from the start screen, you can find import or intelligent file analysis. Choose your source type, and don't forget to click the small gear icon here. Make sure Generate Notes is turned on. Once you do that, both sides will instantly fill up. Beyond intelligence, creation is now more beautiful. Enjoy styled export, adding a personal touch to every mind map you create. Quickly adjust shadows, margins, and corner radius for the perfect look. And that's a wrap. We've just explored almost everything new in EdrawMind V13. From mapping your thoughts to managing your entire knowledge world, EdrawMind V13 helps you think deeper, create faster, and present better. Simply type V13 in the comments below, and you'll get the download link right away. If you're not using the desktop client, just click the link in the description below. You can also try the online version right away. So go ahead, start building your own arsenal of knowledge, and start creating with Wondershare EdrawMind. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.